guys. I hope you're dabbing on those haters. I don't know, for a sec I thought I sound like Jake Paul. Anyway. I have a package. Toilet paper. I could use that. $100 play button. I got a $100 play button. So beautiful. I'm not cooking right. I think I'll keep it. I think I'll just press that back in. Look at that. That is awesome. I don't know if it's supposed to be facing like this or like this. I'm not sure. Placeable usually faces like this. Beautiful play button. Look where I set it. Beautiful. I mean, I don't know who did this for exactly, but they got all my colors. They got the red, the blue, the green, and the black. My heart is so touched. This is styrofoam. That is so neat. How you make something so epic. It's so deep stuff. Anyway, guys, I hope you are dabbing on those haters. Loading out. Anyway, guys, we're finishing up. We finished up Layers Unleashed. We just got done converting it. And after we're done with that, we're going to do the video part. So, I'll see you guys next time. Peace out.